As part of celebrating the International Day of Persons with Disabilities, Microsoft has announced the launch of Microsoft Seeing AI app for Android phone users. Microsoft has designed this app for blind and low vision users. Microsoft Seeing AI app will enable users to scan documents and identify their surroundings. According to Microsoft, this app will enable users to conduct their daily activities such as reading mail, identifying everyday products, and hearing descriptions of photos. To use the Microsoft Seeing AI app, users have to click a picture of their surroundings or any document, and the app will narrate the image description by itself. This app also includes generative AI features, through which users can ask specific questions about items on a menu or the price of an item on a receipt. The app can also generate a detailed description of the image when the user clicks on More Info. The Seeing AI app can also carry out other functions and tasks such as speaking short texts, reading important documents, scanning products, identifying people, and recognizing currency notes. This app is already available for iOS users, and now Android users too will be able to utilize its benefits, along with the newly added AI features, such as asking for image descriptions, asking questions, scanning documents, and many more. Microsoft says there are over 3 billion active Android users worldwide, and bringing Seeing AI to this platform will provide so many more people in the blind and low vision community the ability to utilize this technology in their everyday lives.